Today I'm showing you how to disable Windows Defender, Microsoft's built-in security program on Windows 10 and 11. Let's get started. Critical warning first. Windows Defender protects your computer from viruses, malware, and security threats. Only disable it when you're installing another trusted antivirus program or need to temporarily install specific software. Never leave your PC unprotected. Method 1. Quick Temporary Disable. Step 1. Launch Settings. Right-click the Start menu button and choose Settings from the list. Step 2. Find Update and Security. Inside Settings, locate and click Privacy and Security. Step 3. Select Windows Security. Look at the options and click Windows Security. Step 4. Enter Virus and Threat Protection. Look for an option called Virus and Threat Protection. Then, click Virus and Threat Protection to access the main security controls. Step 5. Access Management Options. Scroll down the page and click Manage Settings under the Virus and Threat Protection Settings heading. Step 6. Disable Real-Time Scanning. Find Real-Time Protection and switch the toggle to the Off position. When the security warning pops up, click Yes to confirm your choice. Step 7. Turn off Cloud Features. If Cloud-delivered protection is active, toggle it off as well for complete temporary disabling. Note about this method. This approach only provides temporary protection disabling. Windows will automatically re-enable Defender after a short period or when you restart your computer. For permanent disabling, continue to Method 2. Method 2. Permanent Registry Modification. Step 1. Launch Run dialog. Right-click the Start button and select Run from the menu. Step 2. Start Registry Editor. In the Run box, type regedit and press OK. When the security prompt appears, click Yes to grant permission. Step 3. Browse to Windows Defender location. In Registry Editor's left panel, navigate through this folder structure. First, click HKey Local Machine. Then, expand Software. Next, expand Policies. Continue to Microsoft. Finally, locate and expand Windows Defender. Step 4. Generate new registry entry. Right-click Windows Defender in the left sidebar. Hover over New in the menu that appears, then click DWORD 32-bit. Step 5. Name your entry. For the new entry, type this exact name, Disable Anti-Spyware. Ensure you use capital D, capital A, and capital S with no spaces between words. Step 6. Modify the entry value. Double-click your newly created Disable Anti-Spyware entry. In the pop-up window, change value data from 0 to 1. Click OK to confirm. Setting this to 1 instructs Windows to keep Defender disabled. Step 7. Restart your system. Close Registry Editor completely. Restart your computer to apply the registry changes. After the restart, Windows Defender will remain permanently disabled. Reversing permanent disable. To reactivate Windows Defender later, return to Registry Editor following the same path. Right-click Disable Anti-Spyware, select Delete, confirm the deletion, and restart your computer. Defender will automatically reactivate upon restart. And that's it. You now know both temporary and permanent methods to disable Windows Defender on Windows 10 and 11. Remember to always maintain some form of security protection on your computer.